She is a well-known education expert and a multi-faceted personality with an illustrious list of accolades to her name. Her expertise spans from leading happy schools for young minds, promoting and supporting Indian heritage, arts and culture, authoring various books and journals, developing educational processes, initiating best practices, for both at school and policy level. She is the principal of G.D. Goenka Public School, Raj Nagar Extension, Ghaziabad. The Great Mentors warmly invites Dr. Neha Sharma. As the principal of G.D. Goenka Public School and visionary for educational process that is meaningful and relevant, she has influenced teaching practices, modes, curriculum in alignment with present-day standards and in preparation to guide the citizens of the future world who have global vision and are deep-rooted in their culture. She has co-authored CBSE's Digital Citizenship Handbooks, AR/VR Handbooks, Gender Sensitivity Manual, Life Skills Education Manual, Values Education, CSHP, Comprehensive School Health Program, Manual, CBSE Anti-Bullying Report, CCE Teacher's Manual and Communicative English, Revised Edition, Classes XX, CBSE International Curriculum, Training Manuals, Life Skills, Arts Integrated Learning, Conducive Learning Environment, AEP, Experiential Learning, Gender-Sensitive Pedagogy, Values Education, Upholding Ethics and Integrity in School, Remodeled Assessment to name a few. Dr. Sharma has been a resource person for workshops, webinars and training programs conducted by CBSE and other organizations for National Education Policy, NEP 2020, Assessment, Life Skills, Gender-Sensitive Pedagogy, Academic Leadership, Parts Integration, Experiential Learning, Values Education, Stress Management, Upholding Ethics and Integrity in School, Inclusive Education, Theater in Education, TIE, Co-Scholastics Areas, Technology in Education, CSHP, Comprehensive School Health Program, NAEP, National Adolescence Education Program, etc. She has been felicitated and recognized as, with member of External Resource Group for Global Policy for Health Promoting Schools, Standards and Implementation Guidance Documents, by WHO and UNESCO, 2021. Speaker at 14th UN Congress on Crime Prevention and Criminal Justice, Kyoto, Japan, hosted by UNODC and UNESCO, 2021. Speaker at UNESCO and UNODC Regional Dialogue on Engaging Youth for Education and Justice in South Asia, 2020. Appreciation letter by Chairman CBSE for contribution in CBSE Exam Helpline and COVID-19 Helpline 2020. Certificate of Honor by Mewar Institute to recognize contribution to the cause of education 2020. Acharya Chanakya Shikshavid Salmon 2020, a World Records UK entry. Commendation letter by Director, SE&T, CBSE for contribution in MHRD Vidya Dawn project in 2019. Patrika Excellence in Education Award by Patrika News Group in 2019. Honored by OP Jindal University for contribution in the field of education in 2018. Commendation letter by Director, Academics, CBSE for dedicated and sincere performance in 2016, and Director, SE&T, CBSE for dedicated and sincere performance in 2018. Perfect 10 in Annual Performance Appraisal Report, APAR, at CBSE for years 2016 and 2017. Amity Academic Excellence Award for Outstanding Contribution in the Field of Education by Amity International Business School, Amity University year 2012. Dr. Sharma has also contributed in skilling ecosystem with focus areas, implementation of NSQF, National Skill Qualification Framework, and NQAF, National Quality Assurance Framework, developing gender policy for promoting inclusion and balance in TVET.